Good morning, students of class 8. This is Neeraj Pratap Singh, and today we are going to learn and understand a new chapter. The name of this chapter is Without Glasses. It is the chapter of Unit 2. If you will open your book and see in a Unit 2, here is means all the chapters are section wise divided. So you have to open section 2. And here you will find Without Glasses. So before going to start the chapter, we will understand the meaning, the headlines of this chapter. You know very well without, the meaning of without, and glasses represents the spectacles. Okay, so without glasses means without spectacles. Now start from here. Just imagine what would happen if you are not able to see the world, the buildings, the grasses, the whole things that are visible. If you are not able to see them, how you will feel? You will feel darkness. You can't justify or understand a person or the place also. Here the chapter is based about spectacles, the glasses. When a person having any type of disorder, if he or she is not able to see the farther object or the nearer object, that time he or she uses spectacles. So just imagine one thing. In a previous time, in an ancient time, there were no spectacles. Then what type of problem they had to face? Means the ancient people had to face a lot of problem without spectacles. Nowadays, if we have any type of disorder, any type of disability about visibility, means the vision, related to the vision, that time we can use spectacles which can help us to see the things nearer to us and farther to us. So this story is based about the spectacles. Here is a narrator. The narrator is also the writer of this story, and he is just telling us about the importance of spectacles, about the glasses. In the beginning of the chapter, if you will read, in the beginning of the chapter, you will find that the narrator has an spectacles, and the servant, he has a servant, and he is dusting the floor and the houses. And at the time of dusting the floor, at the time of just cleaning the house, the spectacles fall down on the floor and it was broke out. When narrator about to know that my spectacles had broken out, that time he was thinking about the past time when he had used the spectacles. He was telling that in the previous time, means when he was at the younger age, that time his eyesight is very good. He can read the things that are farther away from him, and he knows very well that if a person has the ability and capability to see the things farther from us at the age of 40, at the age of 50, the disease called long sightedness, means ki in this disease you are unable to read, you are unable to see the things closer to you. So that time he knows very well that if I am at the age of 10 or 12 or 15, if my eyesight is very good, I can read the things that are farther away from me, and he knows that when I will reach at the age of 40, that time I was unable to read the things that are closer to me. So he was just sharing his experience to us when he just first time he has used the spectacles. That time he used spectacles that do not have the proper frame, means it has to hold on the neck, and he has just broke that spectacles 4 or 5 times, means there is a no any type of, means the rim, the frame of the spectacles, there is a no any frame that attached to the ears, so that the spectacles fallen down every time, and at last he thinks that my nose is not appropriate, my nose is not at that position to hold that type of spectacles, and after a long time he uses a proper framed spectacles, and that time he is unable to see the things, and he has used a line that I was born a new life, means when he uses that spectacles, that time he realize, he feel that here is a new born, here is a new world. So in the middle of the chapter he was also thinking about that if everyone will wear the spectacles, how it will look like. And he was thinking about the situation that in the ancient time, in the past time, there was no spectacles, then how the people can read or write or just see all the things. When he was unable to read all the things, that means he is not able to read the newspaper and all the things, he decided that I will read the book that I have previously read out. Means if I will know the story, the whole story of any book, that time if I was not able to read that book, I can understand the book because previously I have read it. So these are the total scenario of the chapter, and at last he was just thinking about the value of spectacles. That was the main story. Thank you.